Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan the QR code on your iPad mini 7th generation. In order to do that, you have two main ways to do so. First one is by using the camera. If you open the camera, then you should be able to point towards the QR code, and then it should be detected. You can tap on the link at the bottom in order to immediately open the website, or you can also tap on the QR code over here on the right side in order to find additional options. Another way to scan the QR code is by going to the control center, and then over here you should be able to add a new button. So let's actually press this plus button and then add a control, and then we have a scan code. So if you add this button, then you can use it in order to open the QR code scanner, and it works pretty much in the same way as before. You can just open the link from the QR code like that. Now, if the camera doesn't work for you, if you cannot scan with the camera app, then let me show you what you can do in order to fix this. So you need to go to the settings, and then in the settings go to camera, and then you want to make sure that the scan QR codes option is actually enabled over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.